Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Well, this is a very special giveaway, probably my best giveaway ever. I can't even barely get over the stack of stuff that I'm fixing to give away. So, I'm pretty excited. I feel like it's good because, first of all, it is the Word of God in a very special Bible edition. Second of all, it's a handbag. It's a fun handbag. It's not like it's a Dior or a Chanel, but it's just a fun handbag. Third of all, it's all kinds of little fun other things. And fourth of all, but really kind of first of all, like kind of put all above all this is to promote my new channel. Besides this channel, I have a new channel called Beth Buchanan Pure Bible. Why did I do that? Because this is Bible, beauty, fashion, and fun. But there's some people, they're just not into that. They just want to be in the Bible end of things. So when I'm doing a pretty substantial Bible giveaway, I'd like to encourage my new channel. It doesn't have good artwork for the banner yet. It doesn't have a good photo for me yet. I mean, I'm still working on the channel, but I do need to drive business over there. So I'm going to be doing an upload over there, and I'm also going to ask you to go over there. So in order to win what you're going to win, the grand prize, you will need to go over to my new channel, Beth Buchanan Pure Bible. And when you get over to that channel, to the Bible giveaway video, which is this, which is I'm going to upload, comment below that, I'm all in. You need to make the comment. Sometimes you guys say, hey Beth, and it's like, that's not what I asked. I asked you to put, I'm all in, like you're all in. And I need you to do two things. You need to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead, and when you subscribe, go ahead and hit the little notification button, because that will let you know whenever I'm uploading to do Bible studies and devotionals, because that's all this channel is going to be about, Bible studies and devotionals, okay? I will still do them here. I will still do all kinds of stuff here, and I will mix in the beauty and the fashion and the fun. So for those of you like, I like this though, I'm going to keep this, and I'm going to also upload there. So I need you to be at both channels if you don't mind. But to promote that channel, YouTube requires that it grows. I will need you to get one other subscriber. Now, listen, some of you say, well, Beth, I don't have a friend. And up to now, I said, that's okay. I don't want to force anybody. But on this particular one, I really need to build my, my following. So I need you to go over there, subscribe to the channel, and get one other person to subscribe. That's what's required. Subscribe yourself. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification button and get one other person to subscribe. Okay? Just try. Do your best. Okay? And when you get over there, I need you to say, I'm all in. So I know that it's you. Okay? Alright, so here's the prize. The grand prize is amazing. I found this. I don't know how I got this. Y'all, this is a Thompson chain reference. Bible in the NIV. This is not bonded leather. This is genuine leather. The difference is bonded leather is pieces that are sewn together. This is all one piece. It's also Smythe sewn. And it says so right here. It says deluxe leather Smythe sewn. What does that mean? Instead of glue, it is sewn together. What does that mean? That when you open this Bible, look at it. It's so buttery because of the leather. And then look at the sewing. It's just, oh my gosh, it's amazing to hold it. I love this, and I thought, why in the world would you give this away? Are you out of your mind? I want you to enjoy the Word of God. I have a Thompson chain reference. I had a hard copy I gave away to my grandbaby, and I have a leather copy that has my name on it. I will not be able to probably, I will see about putting your name on it. I will not promise that. Look how buttery it is. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love this Bible. Oh my gosh. I don't know how I came across it. There's someone selling the same Bible on the internet for $426. I just can't. And someone told me, why don't you sell it? I can't. But I want to give it as a blessing to someone, okay? So this is the grand prize, okay? And then to go along with that, I do have a Sarah Young Jesus Calling desk copy. And what the difference is, it does have the same daily devotional. For those who may have a problem with this, you guys, she was just writing down what she felt like, that she felt that God was saying to her. She's not trying to rewrite the Bible. And then she has scriptures to back up what she felt like God was saying. Well, here the scriptures are actually written out. So this is a really great one. So these two together alone are just an incredible worth. And some people are like, Beth, are you out of your mind? Why would you do that? Because I want to share it with someone else. I have plenty of Bibles, plenty of devotionals. I need to share it. Then on top of that, of course, you need to be able to write. I gave away something fun. What was that? A wonderful journal. This is a Kate Spade. And with the Kate Spade journal, this is just, it's just a little notebook that you can write with a kind of a creamy color and gold polka dots. And I also got her highlighter set, which is so nice, y'all. Then on top of that, I also got this beautiful little scrunchie that's also cream and gold, so it kind of all goes together. So that's a bunch of fun. And then on top of all that, I got you, because of beauty stuff, not that you have to be into beauty, this is a Bible giveaway, but I did go ahead and do the Sigma Enchanted. I hate the name Enchanted because that implies, it could imply wrong things, but it's a beautiful palette. This is mine. I'm going to get you a brand new one, but this is a beautiful beauty palette. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. And then on top of that, I got a fall candle with a little fox on it because it's fall and fox is the theme. On top of that, I got a little beautiful, this is herringbone or chevron pattern. Looks like a little wool pattern with a little fox for fall. Then on top of that, I got a pair of Shea Infused socks from Bath and Body Works. That is a fox. I also got a keychain that is a fox, which is so fun. And what you have in the bottom of him is there it goes, marshmallow pumpkin latte hand sanitizer that goes in the bottom of the keychain. Just makes it real fun. I also got you a hand mirror to have. I also did a little backdrop thing that is going to be huge. And that is, you know what? I just changed something. No on this candle. I'm going to put that for the runner-up, or the other winner, as Lance would say. I'm going to go ahead and give away this whole thing. This is worth a fortune, y'all. Look at this. It is this little fox and gold glitter. It is this beautiful candle called White Pumpkin, and it's got a white pumpkin little magnet on top. Never been used. It was a part of my backdrop. I'm giving it away. Okay, so that, oh, I'm sorry, and a hand cream for your handbag. Oh, and this handbag. Here, why don't you put this in your handbag? Here's the handbag. This is not leather. It's pleather. It's a faux leather. Adorable little handbag. And I believe it also has in it, it does, a shoulder strap. It's beautiful. It could really go all year long, but it's great for fall. It's a creamy white. It's also got a gold, a gray, a kind of a taupe, and a blue in it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and then also, on top of all of that, there's going to be a runner-up. And the runner-up is going to get this, which is a hard copy. Another Thompson Chain Reference that I found on the internet, y'all. This hard copy. So I thought, well, hard copy, that's kind of hard. So I went ahead and got this beautiful Bible cover. I bought it so it would be super nice. And it's beautiful fall colors. Look at these colors, y'all. It's a quilted Bible cover so that this will not be so harsh. So you get that. You also get a set of pins to go with your journal, also from Kate Spade. And I'm going to go ahead and give you this little candle, okay? Because we gave the big candles to the grand winner. Is that okay with y'all? Then you also will get a little goodie bag. And it's got all kinds of good little fun things in it. I won't go over all that. And then you also get a handbag. And this handbag is also, these are not leather. They're just fun handbags, okay? So nobody criticize. But I think this is so beautiful and I love it. It's red and it's black. It's great for fall. And this is the Belladonna handbag. It's red with black and gold trim. Oh my gosh. It's got, look at this thing. It's wonderful. And again, it has in here the shoulder strap, I believe. Wait a minute, where is it? It's in there somewhere. Anyway, I know this video is going to close. So this is the handbag for the runner-up. So what do you have to do again? You need to go over to my new channel. And you need to go to Beth Buchanan Pure Bible in order to enter. You need to subscribe and hit the notification button. And you also need to get one other person to subscribe. And just know, don't freak out. I'm still going to have this channel. I'm still going to be uploading this channel. I'm just going to be uploading this particular video to both channels so that you will go over there, subscribe to there, get someone else to subscribe to there so I can build that channel. I think that's everything, y'all. Oh, I know what it was. Hold on, one more thing. Just for the runner-up, I went ahead and got this CoverGirl True Naked Nudes palette. This is just a very basic palette. And I just think this is a really good palette to have. And that's it. So I have no idea where my glasses are in all this. I have no idea how close I am to the end. Oh, there they are. Underneath everything. Oh my gosh. I don't want to tear up my very expensive glasses. Hold on. How close are we to the end? Did we run over? I didn't run over. Okay, so why am I doing this? I'm doing this because I want to give away these two incredible Bibles. This runner-up with this beautiful cover for it. And all the fun stuff that goes with it. Oh, this is another thing that was a backdrop. I'm doing some backdrop giveaways because y'all said that you would love them. This is XOXO. Remember that? Like hugs and kisses. I do that all the time. I'm going to give that away. But also, this is a Bible of a lifetime opportunity. Y'all, this is just, look at the butteriness of that leather. Oh my gosh, it's wonderful. Look, because it's so well sewn together, it just lays flat. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And I thought, well, keep it. And I thought, wow, Beth, you have so many Bibles. This is a treat. And maybe I will see if I can find someone in the area that can put your name on it. Maybe I'll let you, whoever the winner is, decide do they want their name imprinted on it, or do they want it unimprinted. Plus all these other really neat things. And the reason is because I want to bless you. I want to grow the channel. There's no one backing me. This is just something that I want to do. And this is our fall giveaway. And then we'll eventually have a winter Christmas giveaway. But this is a pretty big deal. Again, the fact that I got this, I've gotten some things over time. This incredibly cute handbag and this incredibly cute handbag. And I thought, why not bless somebody with this stuff? Why not bless somebody with this instead of, you've got so many handbags. Why not give it away? So I am. So remember, go over to the new channel and subscribe and get someone else to subscribe. Beth Buchanan, Pure Bible.